Hey, beautiful people, welcome to episode 178 of Credit 101. In this episode, we're going to talk about getting a loan at a credit union or even going to your local bank. Now, I was able to get both, so I definitely want to talk about the process. And I want to let you guys know that it's different for everyone. You may have a totally different experience. So I just want you guys to understand that this is kind of how it works, but some things can. This is kind of how it works, but some things can actually change. So the first thing is I had to make sure that I determined like what type of loan that I wanted to get when I got a loan. So I determined that I wanted to do a home equity line of credit, and not a home equity line of credit, but a home equity loan. And I determined that I wanted to do a home equity loan only because I had a home that had equity in it. Now, some of you guys may determine that you want to get a personal loan. Maybe you want to get a car loan. You want to buy a car, get your auto loan, and don't just necessarily get a personal loan. But yeah, you want to determine what type of loan that you want to get. I have to make sure I check my credit scores. So when I checked my credit scores, I saw that, okay, my credit scores was like a 620 at the time when I wanted to get the loan, the home equity loan. So I was like, oh my gosh, am I going to get approved? But all I did was I literally just called the bank, I called the credit unions, and I asked them, hey, what credit score are you guys looking at? Like, who's going to approve me first? And then I asked, hey, what credit scores are you guys looking for? Which credit score should I have? So I knew that, okay, I can possibly get the loan. So I went and did, like I said, I did a lot of research, calling on different lenders. Once I found out like what credit score they wanted, then I made sure I prepared my documentation. Now, you may need different documentation. Everyone will be different depending on if you guys were to just go to like a local bank, maybe they'll tell you to apply online and maybe they won't need as much documentation. But usually they're gonna need like a valid ID or driver's license or passport, something that can verify you. Then they're gonna need a proof of income. So like your pay stubs, tax returns. If you guys are self-employed, maybe they'll have different things that they may need from you. Any type of employment verification, and then they want to check your credit history, which is basically them getting your credit reports. But make sure you guys prepare your documentation. Don't This is what I tell myself, don't assume what it is. Like, literally take your time, call them and say, hey, what do I need? I'll bring that. Don't just assume I need this, and that, and then you never apply. Because some companies, like if you just apply for a loan online for a lot of these companies, they may not need verification. They can just go off your credit report and what you said. They'll be able to prove you for that. Or maybe they just say, hey, I just need your check stubs. I just need proof of your income. You never know. So don't assume. Please don't make assumption on this. Call and ask. All these steps, call and ask. Then you have to apply for the loan. When I applied for my home equity loan, I applied right in person. And the person that was actually giving me my home equity loan was actually the person that helped me with the application. So I went to a local credit union. They don't have that many people there, and the person actually does their loans and actually approve them. I think up to like 500,000 or to like a million. That person was actually the person that was filling out my loan application. They already told me that they're going to be able to get a loan. They just didn't tell me the amount yet. So please make sure you see if you can talk to the underwriter, if it is like a in-house underwriter, especially if it's like a very, very small credit union. That was a trick that I learned. Go to one of them very, very small credit unions, because you could most likely talk to the person that's going to approve you. So that is something that's good. But you apply for the loan. I applied in person. You guys can possibly apply online. They'll tell you exactly what you need to do, but just ask them exactly what you need to do. Wait for approval. I did have to, with a home equity loan, that's different. I had to wait a little bit because I had to do like an appraisal and all these different things. Um, but you can get approval right away. Maybe they'll tell you in a day. You just have to wait for your approval. And then after that, they're going to give you an offer. So he said, hey, we can give you this amount. And I said, okay, that's cool. I could take it, because I was too scared to tell him anything else. Like, change it, don't do this. I was too scared to even do that. I was just like, I'm happy you give me anything. I was nervous. But you guys can see what they have to offer. Maybe you can ask them if they can switch it, if they can give you more, what can you change to get more, or what can you change to get better. Maybe different loans or something, like the different interest rate, like what to get better terms, basically. Maybe you can ask them about that, but review your offer. If you like it, then you accept your offer. Once they said, hey, everything is good, we just need you to come sign, then I went and signed, and that was it. but I had to accept that loan. And then make sure you manage your loan responsibly. Just paying on time, put it on auto pay if you can. Make sure that if you want to pay it off early to save on interest, you definitely can. I would suggest it, especially. I don't think that you should be trying to hold these different debts for a long time. And I listened to Dave Ramsey. I actually have his book back there. I listened to him with that to paying off a car very fast. So definitely, I mean, having a loan in less than 2 years. So I definitely suggest that for you too. Because I thought that, oh, I gotta have it for 5 years. Some people having it up to 6 years, 72 months. And I'm like, oh, I thought this was normal. No, 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 you don't have to do that. So I definitely happy that I listened to him and he helped me through that process by just listening to him on YouTube. But like just a simple YouTube video just went Dave crazy. But definitely make sure you manage your loan responsibly. And then make sure you continue to build and maintain these relationships with these lenders, because the lender that I went to, they not only did they give me that loan, the home equity line of credit, they gave me a loan, not home equity line of credit. I keep throwing the words together, they're not the same. Home equity loan, home equity line of credit, those are two separate things. Not only did he give me a home equity loan, but they actually refinanced my car for me, which means that I had I think of like a 24% interest rate on my car. They refinanced it and gave me my interest rate was for sure under the tens. I know that for sure. I don't remember, because this was a while ago when I did this, but they was able to, refinance my car, give me a credit card, which was my new highest limit. I was like, oh my gosh, I never had this much credit available. Everything was so amazing. So make sure you guys maintain that relationship, because they can give you more. You guys can even go to like your local credit unions like Navy Federal. I love Navy Federal products. I had a little glitch with them, but I'm just going to give them the benefit of the doubt that was an individual person, and that um, it was not their whole company, because I do like Navy Federal, but they have a lot of different products. So definitely you can build a relationship with them, get credit cards, get loans. They can help you get your mortgage. They have a lot of different products. So definitely check that out. But you guys have so many different options, but that's exactly how you're going to get that loan at the credit union and also at the bank. Again, you want to call them and ask them any questions you have. You know what the layout's going to be. You know what's going to happen. You want to ask them, hey, I want to get a loan. I want to get a personal loan. I want to get an auto loan. I want to get a home equity loan. You'll let them know what you want. Just ask, hey, what do my credit score have to be? Do you guys care about collections? Do you care about charge-offs? What's the amounts? All those different things. But if you guys have any questions, feel free to definitely go to our website, Rickita.com, and schedule a call, and I'll be happy to answer any questions that you guys have. Now, for those people this is your first time watching my videos, I definitely want to show you all my website. So on my website, I have a lot of stuff that's catering to those people that need to build their credit, who don't have credit at all, or if you need to repair your credit, or if you're just looking to maybe just get higher limits. You don't necessarily need to build it. You just want higher limit credit cards, or whatever it is when it comes down to credit cards and like the negative accounts to your credit. That is what I cater to on my website. Now, you guys can schedule a call on my website. You can see if I have any upcoming events that I'm doing. You can do a home buying application if you would like me to help you purchase a home, and also home tours. Check out some of the home tours that I did. If you guys have any negative accounts on your credit report, such as charge-offs, collections, bankruptcies, I do have a dispute letter that you can use here. It's free. I do have a dispute letter that you all can download so that you guys can work to remove those negative accounts from your credit report. Now, you have to get this letter and send it to all 3 credit bureaus, or send it to whatever credit bureau is reporting that account. So definitely come to my website. Once you fill out this, you guys will get an email, and then also I'll send you something about how you can increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check that out. If you have negative accounts and you want to actually target them, such as you got late payments, student loans, collections, charge-off, bankruptcies, then I have dispute letter packages. These letters have 6 letters in it, and the bankruptcy is the only one that have the 4. But this is the letters. These are letters that you guys can use to start removing those negative accounts from your credit reports. And it's only $27 for a package of 6 letters. In a little bit though, I'll show you how you can possibly get this at a discounted rate. Also, utilization sheets. I always show people how to balance out their credit cards, and I have a utilization sheet here where you can track all your credit cards. You can know what your utilization is, and this can actually help you pay down your credit cards. If you guys have balances on your credit cards, you need to know how to actually pay it down, which ones to pay down first. This sheet would be great for you all. If you guys are looking to possibly get more hands-on help, you would like to talk to me, you want more access to me, then I do suggest that you guys get my membership. I make sure I take calls for those people that's in my membership as a priority. I do have one where you start with $1 trial, and that is going to be $79 per month. And then also have one for $99, and then it's going to be $29 per month. Or you can get lifetime access for $599. So definitely, if you want to get more hands-on help, and then also I can email you your letters that you can actually mail, and then I also can mail them for free on my end. Definitely join the membership if you want more hands-on help. Now this right here is like my favorite part. It's the credit cards. I have multiple lists of credit cards here. So if you're looking for just the top credit cards that I like, I have that list here. If you want to pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry, I have this here. So you guys can pre-qualify for a credit card without a hard inquiry. And this one have over 45 accounts. Since this is my favorite list, because I love to pre-qualify for things without that hard inquiry, I'm going to show you a little bit of what it looks like. So you'll see a video of whatever card it is, an image of that card, apply now. So you can go ahead and apply on a website, and also have a free downloadable guide, and I have information about the card. And it's going to repeat for multiple cards. So you can see which ones you definitely like, which ones are going to help you in your journey of building your credit, or even whatever credit you want to get. Now, I have multiple lists: bad credit, students, travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, cash back. I have multiple ones there. I also have the 5 ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. The webinar, you can just click directly on here, and you will be able to, again, if you already did those free disputes, because this is the thing I said, the 60 points in 60 days, the webinar that you can watch. If you already did that, once you put your information in here, you should go all the way back to the actual webinar. Now, a lot of people love this part, 6 months of free letters. I can actually do your letters for you, 6 months worth of them, and I can actually email them to you and fill out all your information. All you have to do is literally put them in an envelope and mail them. So I definitely have that for you. If you want the 6 months of free letters, this is something that you have to do if you want me to create the letters for you. First off, you have to get our mega dispute letter package. All that is all of the letters that's here. Like all these packages, you get bankruptcy, charge off, collections, student loans, and late payments. You get all of these together in one. You're going to get the free letter that's here, plus you're going to get additional letters, all of that. And I believe the original price is $199, but you're getting 65% off of that. I think it comes like $67, $69. So definitely you have to purchase the mega dispute letter package. Do a 14-day trial with Aura so we can see if you guys have any type of fraud on your account. You need to be able to know if you had any type of data breaches. So definitely sign up for Aura, and all the links are here. So you can just click right here or click here. It doesn't matter. But definitely do step 2. And then step 3 is get your all 3 credit reports by Identity IQ. And it's $1 trial for 7 days. And that's going to give us your credit report so that we can create the actual dispute letters for you. And then also the last, second to last step is to actually complete the application. That's what's going to give us the personal information I need to put on your letters. So definitely complete the application. And then once you have made your purchase, reach out to us so that we can see if you're eligible for the free letter service. But as long as you did all 4 of these steps, you're definitely eligible for it. And then I have a lot of different blog posts on here about the different Credit 101, Home Buying 101 is going to come next. So definitely check out the website, Rickita.com. I will be editing the website soon, but this is what it looks like now. If you guys are interested in any credit card, you guys can definitely use this search bar here. And then also, if you're on your computer, then you can search. Actually, if you're a member already, you can search right here. I got special things for people that's a part of my actual membership. So if they want me to send certified letters, pay past due bills, schedule a call, for free credit help, sign up. Again, here are the steps that you need to actually do. So yeah, that's what you'll do if you guys are a member. Or say if you want a specific credit card you want to look up, just search whatever that credit card is, and you can see if I made some type of review on it. So here's the Apple card here. I'm going to click on it. Scroll down, you see I got the video, the card here, apply now, free downloadable guide. And then I also have some people that actually got approved for the credit card. I have some of the reviews here. But I hope that you guys love this website and you're able to find more credit cards to get approved for. You start working to build your credit and you get exactly what you want out of your credit. And last thing I want to say about my wonderful website is if you like a certain credit card, at the bottom I'll have similar cards. These are the cards to me that's similar to the Apple card. So you can see I have similar ones down here. So you can go ahead and actually click on it and go to that next credit card. So this is the cashback card. And you can see other people say that they got approved for it. So I hope that you guys love this website. You can go into a rabbit hole looking at all the different things that's on this website. But I hope that you guys love it. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Have a great day.